In this video, I'll show you how to find AppData folder in Windows 11 so you can easily access hidden application files and settings. Step 1. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E or by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar. File Explorer lets you navigate through all your files and folders on your computer. Step 2. Click on the View menu at the top, select Show, and then enable hidden items. This is important because AppData folder is hidden by default and showing hidden items allows you to see it. Step 3. Navigate to C drive, then Users, and choose the folder that has your computer username. Inside this folder, you'll find AppData which contains local, low, and roaming subfolders used by applications to store data. Step 4. For a faster method, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog. Type AppData and press Enter. This will take you directly to the AppData folder without manually navigating through File Explorer. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.